Dadashri ji, why is there so much suffering in this world?
It's part of life, so you can't run away from it. So for you as human being, in human body, it may appear to you that we are suffering. And it is true also at your level that we are suffering. But there is a purpose to it. There is a reason behind it. That why do we suffer? If you look at it spiritually, only purpose for your suffering is to evolve. Evolve as a being, as soul, so that you go to a higher level. Some world which operates at a higher dimension level. You go there and you experience world accordingly. But here, if you see, this suffering, when you are here, experience suffering, that means you are experiencing suffering somewhere else also. It is in continuity.
Okay.
So it's not that the suffering came all of a sudden in this life. You were suffering earlier somewhere. Then you arrived here to experience suffering and end suffering both. So that when you continue from here onwards, you experience bliss and happiness. That's the purpose for all of you. So if you look at it, suffering for you over here or up there, wherever you were, this basic reason behind this is there is disconnect between you and your source or the divine. So divine is full of love. He gives, all the time, he radiates love for all of you. And when your being, your inner core is not in tune with your higher divine, then there is no connection. Then you don't experience love. When you don't experience love from that highest source, then you lack love. Then you look for love from somewhere else. And that's where you struggle and suffering starts. The moment you connect yourself again back to your own higher divine, the divine which is within your heart, automatically that flow of love starts coming. You experience that bliss in your mind, in your body. Then suffering stops there itself, right at that moment. So whatever is happening all around, situation wise, or anything, within also, nothing will impact your state. You will just remain, completely in that blissful state with no suffering. So what is happening with all of us as of now? That we are disconnected from that higher divine. That is lack of love. That's why we say, the cause of suffering is the lack of love. It is mainly, disconnect with your own divine. Simply just connect, communicate with the divine. You receive love, you evolve, and then you move one step ahead, away from suffering. So this is how, slowly you will experience more happiness, freedom in your life. So, just get ready for this.
Right.
Transformation does this.
Right.
This your entire being gets transformed into a evolved being with no suffering at the end.